Hello, welcome back to the second part of the video. So we stop at the canvas. Then after that we go to the second ayah, this. Then you go and duplicate it. You put in the second ayah. Then you go and copy the meaning again. So يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن. Then you copy none. أذن الرحمن. You copy it and go and edit what we duplicated here. You go to edit, then we cancel this. And we paste what you copied. Then none shall speak except any who Allah most gracious. Any who is permitted by Allah most gracious. Then you put it here also. Then we draw the text, the Arabic text to the top. Then you duplicate again. You come to this duplicate and duplicate again. Then you go and copy the text. وَقَالَ الصَّوَابَ, and it will say what is right. And you say what is right. Then you will copy again. And you go back to edit and delete it and delete this one. And you paste it here. You click OK. Then you can take it to the top a little bit. Then let me go back here and it will say what is right. Let me click on this, edit, and it will say what is right. What is right. وَقَالَ الصَّوَابَ. Then after that, you have arranged our text. يَوْمَ يَقُومُ الرُّوحُ وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ صَفًّا. Then after you have done with our text, you now go back to the music. You go and bring the audio you downloaded. Then you can see the info. Let's assume that you want to start one audio, the audio Quran from one video. Then you click on the extract audio from video. Then since I wanted to bring it for my gallery, I have downloaded the video. Then I will go back to my video. Then I think it's Mulik 38. Let me just.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا.
So let's use this one. And let's see where the audio ends. So after that, you click your OK. You click your OK. So let's.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا.
Then you now go and adjust. Let's see where it stands. So after that, our audios ends here. Then let's now be adjusting the text. We go back to text. Then take it. So let's start with the editing. Take it far away from the text, from the rest. Take it far away from the rest. Then take the second one far away from the first one. So you now started listening to the audio.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة.
يَوْمَ يَقُومُ الرُّوحُ وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ صَفًّا. So we now stop at where it say at صَفًّا.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا
صَفًّا. Then you now drag it to this where it ends at صَفًّا. And this one also, you drag it at where it ends at صَفًّا. Let's go and listen to it again.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا
صَفًّا. Then you now bring this لا يتكلمون. You join this لا يتكلمون to the text. Join the لا يتكلمون. Yeah, you now listen to it.
صفا لا يتكلمون
إلا من أذن له الرحمن.
لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن
الرحمن. Then you will enlarge it also. Then you take this one back to the meaning also. Then you will enlarge it. Okay, let's listen to it.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال.
So, to وقال صوابا, you now move it here. Then let's listen to it again.
له الرحمن وقال صوابا.
So you stop here, then you bring it here. Then take this one back, drag this one also. Then okay. Now let's go and listen back.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا.
So it ends here, then mark it, then go back to your background, go on and adjust it. You go and adjust our background to where our audio ends. So where our audios end. Audios end here. Then you go back to our text. Then let's our text also end here also. Then let's go and listen to it.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا.
So we will be stopping here and we'll continue the last part in our next class.